You treat it as if it was yours, but you do not exploit it for your own interest as you do your own, right? But you have to show the same care as you show for your own money, for your own property. Otherwise, you don't deserve to be a manager, you don't deserve to be a member of the board. Directors. You deserve to be a director. Okay, I will understand and uphold. I will stand and uphold. Understand and uphold. Both in letter and in spirit. Not only in letter, but in spirit. The laws and the contracts governing my own conduct and that of my enterprise. So what it says here, I disagree with the former Attorney General of Cyprus, Mr. Kliridis, who says that for easiness, we only pay attention to the letter of the law and we ignore the spirit of the law. Because in the spirit of the law, we teach it too much, have to think too much, and we don't want to think. So follow the spirit. So all the cases in court, especially administrative, as you know, is based on some technicality of the law, not truly on the spirit of the law. But here it says, I will understand and uphold both in letter and in spirit the laws. Therefore here it says what? That I will not do illegal things. Okay? I will take responsibility for my actions and I will represent the performance and risks of my enterprise accurately and honestly. So I take responsibility for my actions. I'm not like all those people involved in Marie or in the economy of Cyprus, in the investor economy, that they do not take responsibility for their actions. I will take responsibility for my actions. Okay? And I will represent the performance and risk of my enterprise accurately and honestly. They didn't tell us correctly the risks. Mr. Elias told us we don't need any money first, and then he said we need 200 million, then it turned out to be 500 million, then it turned out to be 2 million. Okay? They didn't represent correctly the risks, they didn't tell people. What about people with axiographer? With all those, what do you call them in English?
Capital security. Bonds. That's what they call it.
They're not bonds, they're sort of bonds.
Bonds.
Anyway, the axiographer, whatever. They didn't tell people, they didn't represent the true risks. Maybe it was in fine print in the bottom, but they hide it, or they just talk about the 7% return, didn't say anything about the risk. Here it says, I will represent the performance and the risks of my enterprise accurately and honestly. I will develop both myself and other managers, not only myself, but other managers as well, under my supervision, so that the profession continues to grow and continue and contribute to the well-being of society. I will strive to create sustainable economic, social, and environmental prosperity worldwide, i.e., sustainability, economic, environmental, and social. Bottom line. I will be accountable to my peers, and they will be accountable to me for living by this oath. This oath I make freely and upon my honor, and so help me God. So I challenge you to take that oath. You can go. Did you find out how many people signed already?
Yes, 7,728.
7,728. Become the 7,729. Let's see who will be faster.
Once we finish, isn't it?
What?
No,
No, you can do it while you're a student. You're a student. Why do you have to finish? I do it right now. Do it in the class. Change your mind? Well, don't say if you change your mind. Okay. Any comments? Break. Yes, any comments before we can go to break? Yes.
Are you going to give us the plan?
Yeah?
The plan you had for...
Yeah, oh yeah. Let me tell you that, yeah, sorry. I put for Israel.
No, not for Israel. No,
So.
Τι με κάνεις χθες τη νύχτα. Θα έτσι κριτικές.
Ναι, io να το κάνω κόμμα. George, did you see those? Where? Where? I don't see that here.
That one, no? Where you left them?
George, he took them? You have them there?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, you bring them after the break. Okay. You want? the one for the solving the problem of Android. Okay, yeah, I'll give it to you. I will take it. Okay, one moment, let me give you this so you can. Okay. Here, I know I sent them to you by email, but they're supposed to be free, right? Okay, keep going. Go this way. Keep them. Give one to each. Okay. Quick, has them take one. You should have three of them. Eh? It's one page.
the Genurgian da still.
Huh? You just take out the other one.
Mixer.
This is the new one.
Oj, to sketch.
The sketch. Huh? You tell me email, but okay.
Waste all the paper.
Okay.
It's not CSR.
It's not CSR, but because we are late. Some people may not access. Okay, it's a small cost, but we will save it another way. Okay, so read this either now or you are email. And try to respond. Even though you have until Monday. We didn't open for them as students because we give you the priority. And you have priority until tomorrow noon. After that, we will open also for the MSCs. So please take action before noon tomorrow to ensure you are cost. We try to minimize the cost to the absolute minimum. Myself, I had a course, I changed it so I can go with you. And I assure you, huh? The cost out of the form. The form coming to you. The form comes which has the cost. The form is coming. Yes, electronically, but you also have to pay because we have to buy the tickets and so on and secure the hotels and so on. So you can pay the way you pay your tuition.
The deadline for the payment is the day that beginning to Monday.
Yes, Monday. You say you pay already, submit the receipt. The receipt or the bill. If you haven't paid yet, you send you reserve the position, say, I will pay by Monday. Okay, I believe you. But you have to do it by Monday because the Lewis company which gave us the special deal, you know the trip to Israel, the flight is very expensive. So unbelievable expensive. It's unbelievable. Why so expensive? I don't understand. And because
Monopoly.
Yeah, in Greece. Anyway, huh? Try the best, yes.
Our exam will be on the 10th of November.
I take it one of the reasons it's so expensive I was told is because that you see how many things they do. No, to ensure security. The security, 2/3 of that price, they told me, is for all the equipment, detectors and all the things. It's the most secure airline to fly with from terrorists and so on.
Every time you fly to Israel, it's a special security process, and when you're coming back, it'll be even worse.
Yes, so you have to go to the airport, and you feel secure. They have so many electronic.
You feel like a terrorist. You feel like a terrorist. They ask you, why are you?
Anyway, you have to feel safe. The good thing is that you're absolutely safe. And by the way, let me say something else. When we go to Israel, I will try to take you at least outside. I will also inside to see the Supreme Command. The Supreme Command is a building of which also you go to the land. It's in the middle of Tel Aviv. And it has created what is called the umbrella. There are two umbrellas. There's umbrella of Tel Aviv and umbrella over Israel. So it has a double umbrella. Nothing can pass. Even when a bird is flying, there are dust. Immediately they give a bird. I went inside, they showed me I saw the things unbelievable. Anything, a fly to fly, is going to have it's so safe. Yes, but it's all with electronics and with all this kind of innovation, etc. I tell you, I'm going to be very impressed how they do it. And hopefully we can, you will be the seed to start a new revolution in Cyprus that will bring the high tech and the high touch that we want. Okay, so look at this. As I said, the maximum number is going to be 25. We cannot accommodate for more than 25 because in more than 25 it's not going to be effective quality. You have priority until tomorrow noon to indicate, and after that, it's open for the NSCs, and maybe because the NSCs are unemployed, you understand? Many of them are unemployed. The new university graduates, they are very much interested, but they have plenty of time. So once it's open for them, it's going to fill up. So better try to do it maybe tomorrow. Yeah, that's one reason why I brought for the hard copies.
Give it to you.
Huh?
I'll give it to you.
You can give it to me, or you can send it electronically to me. Yeah, but you can, anything you want, you can do it. Now, I understand that there are some people who cannot, for other reasons, go. We are working also an alternative trip to Greece later on for those, but it's going to be later, it will be next year. It will be next year, beginning of next year.
We're coming up from Greece.
Huh?
We're coming up from Greece.
From Greece, we tell you that, how not to do it. No, they are fine, they are trying. Okay, 15 minutes, please. 15 minutes.